Ever wondered how doctors remove a ganglion cyst? Let's break it down. A ganglion cyst is a fluid-filled lump that usually pops up near your wrist or joints. While it's not dangerous, it can cause pain or limit movement. If it doesn't go away on its own, surgery might be the solution. The procedure starts with anesthesia to keep you comfy, so you won't feel a thing. Then the surgeon makes a small cut right over the cyst. They carefully separate it from the surrounding tissues and remove it, including the stalk that connects it to the joint or tendon. This helps prevent it from coming back. Once the cyst is out, the incision is closed with stitches and a bandage is placed over the area. Most of the time, it's an outpatient procedure, meaning you'll be able to go home the same day. Recovery takes a few weeks, and most people are back to normal activities pretty soon after. Got any questions about ganglion cyst removal? Drop them in the comments.